Welcome to room 6 of the Lofts Boutique Hotel on Knysna Island in Knysna. Come on in. As you enter the room, you can see it is a spacious open concept design. We have a coffee table with seating area accompanied with a king-size bed. There's also a tub that overlooks the bay, so you can sit and take a bath with a view. As we move into the room on the other side, we have a small coffee station with a kettle, a sink, a refrigerator, and the TV is also located on that side. Moving into the bathroom, you'll see we have a closet that is open concept, as well as shelving with a safe included. There's a large shower with multiple heads, and we also have a separated toilet area. Moving across, you can see the view of the room. The room has a balcony with these big sliding glass doors that open all the way. The balcony has a table with some chairs that you can enjoy the view. The only thing that we did not know is that the restaurant is right below the room, as well as the hotel swimming pool is located in the middle of the restaurant. So you have the noise and the people in the restaurant that can see you if you're on your balcony. Other than that, that is our room at the Lofts Boutique Hotel. Thank you for watching.
Overall, we had a wonderful stay with a very pleasant and relaxing vibe in the hotel. We were able to sit in the guest-only area and enjoy some breathtaking sunsets while we stayed here.